Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful topic: how to sync your SharePoint files to your desktop in 2025. If you're dealing with team collaborations, remote work, or just need offline access to your files, this guide is for you. SharePoint is Microsoft's powerful platform for sharing and managing documents, and syncing it to your desktop makes everything more convenient. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest OneDrive app installed on your Windows or Mac computer. OneDrive is the key to syncing SharePoint, as it's integrated with Microsoft 365. If you don't have it, head to the Microsoft website, download, and install it quickly. It's free for most users. Once that's done, open OneDrive and sign in with your Microsoft account. This is the same account you use for SharePoint, so no surprises there. Now, navigate to your SharePoint site through a web browser. Go to office.com, sign in, and select the SharePoint app. Find the specific site or library you want to sync. Next, look for the Sync button at the top of the page. It's usually a cloud icon. Click it, and OneDrive will prompt you to confirm. You'll see options to choose what to sync, like specific folders or the entire library. Select your preferences and hit Start Sync. Depending on your file's size, this might take a few minutes. After syncing begins, check your File Explorer. You should see a new folder under OneDrive labeled with your SharePoint site. Now, you can work on files offline, and any changes you make will automatically upload when you're back online. Remember, for 2025 updates, Microsoft has improved sync speeds and added better conflict resolution, so keep your apps updated. One quick tip: if you run into errors, like permission issues, double-check your SharePoint settings or contact your IT admin. That's it for the steps. Syncing SharePoint to your desktop boosts your productivity big time. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.